Hey guys, it's Coach Carroll here with a short video to show you how to make a section view and a detailed view for exercise 2 of this drawing lab. Okay, so I've already inserted a base view. This is the front view of this bearing mount part. So if I want to create a section view, I can click on section view up here at the top. And the first thing it tells me to do down here is to select a view or view sketch. So just click on this view, make sure that the red dotted line is highlighted, and click one time. And now I need to select the starting point and end point of my section view. Well, I want a section view to cut right through here, okay, because I want to see the interior design of this hole and of this hole here as well. So I'm going to make sure it kind of snaps here, but I don't want to start my section view here. I want to start my section view out here. So see, the dotted line is keeping it horizontal, and so I'm going to click, but make sure I'm to the left of this edge out here. Okay, if it's not, you can change it later. It's no big deal. So click there one time, and now go horizontal and make sure I'm further enough to the right where I'm past this edge. Click one more time, and now right click and hit continue. Okay, so let's drag this out of the way. Notice if I pull this down, that would be as if I'm looking up on the object and this is what it looks like. Or if I'm looking down on it, I actually see these feet down here. Okay, so I'll put the object up here, click one time, and I'm done. Okay, now I don't want this scale to be displayed. Okay, so I can double click on the text, and I'm just going to highlight the scale part of the text, highlight that, and delete that, get rid of that. Alright, so I've created this section view. Now, I talked about having this section actually come out wide enough so you see the end of these feet here. Alright, if I click and drag in, what if my section view only came to this much, or let's say this much? Okay, the view is only as wide as this section line is. So notice you only see this much of the part. Okay, but we actually want to see all of the parts, so I'm going to drag the ends out here. Alright, so that's how you create the section view. The next view that's different is the detailed view. So click on detailed, and again it tells me down here, on the bottom left to select a view. So I want to make a detailed view from this view, so select here. And now I'm going to select the center point of what I'm going to look at. So let's select the center here, and then drag a little circle that shows the area that I'll zoom into. So I want to zoom in just on those two notches there. So about there. Click another time, and then I can drag this view wherever I would like, and I'll click to place it there. And now I've placed the section view. Again, if I want to edit the text, I can put my cursor over the text to where it turns red, double click, and then I can change the text here. I'm going to delete the scale. Alright, so now I've added the detailed view, and then you can add dimensions to these notches, to these circular notches, and it'll be more clearly shown since you're zoomed in to that feature now. Alright, the next view is this right view. That's easy enough. That's just a projection view. So click on projected. Now click on this base view, and I'll just drag over here to the right. Click another time, right click, and hit create, and I've created that right side view there. Alright, so those are the views that you'll use to dimension this part. And again, the reason I use these views is I'm using the detailed view because it's hard to zoom in and see this if it's printed on a sheet of paper. So I zoom in so I can more clearly show distances between here or the radiuses of those circles. Also here, notice the interior of these holes, the interior of this part is a little complex, so it would be easier to show it more clearly shown, let's say, if I do a section view or I cut through the part to clearly show the inside of the part to more clearly see what's going on. All right. Okay, so that's how you create the views there. All right. Hope that helps. Give it a try now. Okay.